Guys, I'm Steve McKinney with Conservation Construction, one of the proud owners of the company, and John McDay's the founder of the company. And we've been around for 37 years, member of the BBB for decades, get great reviews. We do amazing work. I've talked to you about videos about warranties, video about how long everything will last, videos about having our own service techs, and just taking care of the homeowner. And we're really big on the fact of being family owned, family ran, and treating our employees like family and treating our customers like family. So a lot of companies talk about being family oriented, but are they really? And with our company, what's going to happen if Mr. McDade wants to maybe retire and have a shirt like this and go off to the beach and not want to be doing this anymore? And I want you to know we have plans for that. I want to introduce somebody to you. It's John McDade's son. Devin, you mind coming in for a minute?
Of course. How's it going, guys?
Good. This is Devin, and Devin does a lot of estimations for us. He's a designer of projects for us, and he goes out to do a lot of jobs, but that's not Devin's only talent been at the company. Devin's been around this company since he was born, basically. And Devin's worked in the office. Devin's worked with the computer systems. Devin has a lot of talents and a lot of abilities, but he's also an estimator, and he's kind of learned the whole process of the business. And so when we talk about being family run, family oriented, this is going to wind up being passed down to the family. So Devin's one of them. Actually, I have two sons. They both also work for us, and they both also are design specialists in going out to homes. And actually, one of them has installed windows. So they have a various background of everything we do at the company. Devin, anything you want to add to that?
Yeah, no, I mean, I've been at the company since when me and Alex were hanging flyers. One fateful summer, I think in 2013.
I remember that.
Just kind of something to keep us busy. But yeah, I mean, this is really the only thing I've ever known, aside from going to school. Yeah, it was just kind of summers were spent in the window world. It's, something that's near and dear to me. And then, yeah, as time progressed, started learning about siding, started learning about some of the other things we do. Learned the intricacies of this great office. And I mean, we'll definitely take care of you guys. It's not something that, you're not going to call some 1-800 number and there's going to be some huge, answering call center. It's just going to be Emily right up there, and it's just going to stay in our little Conservation Construction family.
So guys, give us a call, give us a click, like us, do whatever you're supposed to do that his generation does, and we will come out, we'll give you an exact estimate on whatever products you're looking for. Here, just so you know, we do awnings, we do solar shades, all that's motorized. We do siding, we do entry doors, they're done by Provia. We do windows, and we take very good care of the customer. One big thing about this company that this young man will do also, once we have your money and we've been paid, we will still come back out and take good care of you. That's what you really want, and that's what really proves a good company. So thank you for your time, and we appreciate you.